Think about the sleek, powerful device you use every day. The iPhone. It fits perfectly in your hand, yet holds more computing power than the machines that first sent humans to the moon. But did you know it takes nearly 34 hours to assemble just one iPhone? From the moment Steve Jobs unveiled the first model back in 2007, this little device didn't just change technology, it changed the world. It redefined communication, entertainment, and design, but behind its glass and aluminum lies a fascinating global process, a story of engineering precision, human craftsmanship, and international collaboration. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the entire journey, from raw materials buried deep in the earth to the shiny, finished phone that sits in your hand. It's a tale of innovation and ambition, of science and skill working in perfect harmony, proving that even the smallest device can connect billions of lives and reshape the very way we experience the modern world. Let's start at the very beginning, with the raw materials. Every iPhone begins as a collection of elements pulled from the planet. Aluminum for the frame, silicon for the chips, lithium for the batteries, rare earth metals for the speakers and cameras. These materials are sourced from every corner of the world. Aluminum from Australia, silicon from Japan, lithium from Chile, and gold and copper from South America and Africa. In fact, it takes around 70 elements from the periodic table to build a single iPhone. That's nearly 2/3 of all known elements on Earth. Each one plays a vital role, from conducting electricity to protecting your screen or storing energy in your battery. What begins as raw rock and ore will soon transform into one of the most advanced pieces of technology ever created. Once these materials are mined and refined, they're sent to specialized factories to be transformed into components, the essential building blocks of the iPhone. Take the screen, for instance. It's no ordinary glass. It's Gorilla Glass, a revolutionary material engineered to be remarkably tough and scratch-resistant. Developed in the United States, it's melted, treated, and chemically strengthened to achieve a balance of durability and flexibility that protects your phone from the daily wear of life. Once perfected, these sheets of glass are shipped across the ocean to China, where they become part of the iPhone's iconic display. Bright, smooth, and unmistakably elegant, the brain of the device, the chip, is crafted by TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, in Taiwan. Each chip is smaller than a fingernail, yet capable of executing billions of operations per second, powering everything from your camera to your favorite apps. Other components, like the camera lenses, sensors, and wireless modules, come from cutting-edge suppliers in Germany, South Korea, and the United States, each contributing a piece of precision engineering to the puzzle. Before they ever reach an assembly line, every part is rigorously inspected, tested, and certified under Apple's uncompromising standards. Each must meet near-perfect tolerances. Because in Apple's world, almost right is never good enough. Only perfection passes. With every piece ready, the components make their way to massive assembly factories in China. Here, under the bright lights of sprawling industrial complexes, the iPhone finally takes shape. The main assembly partner is Foxconn, one of the largest electronics manufacturers in the world. Their facilities operate like miniature cities, employing hundreds of thousands of workers, supported by fleets of robotic arms and precision machines. It's here that more than 300 individual parts come together to form a single iPhone. The process is a delicate dance of human skill and mechanical accuracy. Workers are trained for weeks to master specialized tasks, aligning the camera, connecting the logic board, or sealing the casing with microscopic precision. Each iPhone moves down the production line in carefully timed stages, where it's built piece by piece, a testament to both human ingenuity and technological synchronization. When an iPhone is fully assembled, the work is far from over. Next comes quality control, one of the most critical stages of the entire process. Every phone undergoes rigorous testing. Screens are examined for color accuracy and brightness. Batteries are charged and drained repeatedly to ensure longevity. Cameras are calibrated and tested under multiple lighting conditions. Buttons, microphones, speakers, and sensors, all inspected to perfection. Even a tiny imperfection can send a device back for repair or recycling. Apple's standards are famously uncompromising. Their philosophy, if it's not flawless, it's not an iPhone. This obsession with quality has helped Apple build one of the most trusted reputations in technology, ensuring that every device feels premium, reliable, and distinctly Apple. Once the iPhone passes all quality checks, it moves to the final assembly and software installation stage, the moment when hardware meets intelligence. Each phone is connected to Apple's secure computers, where the latest version of iOS, the heart and soul of the iPhone, is carefully installed. As the software loads, the devices run through a series of automated tests designed to verify performance, connectivity, and responsiveness. Touchscreens are examined for pinpoint precision, cameras are tested for focus and color accuracy, and microphones are checked for crystal clear sound. Every movement, every tap, every click is measured to ensure the phone reacts exactly as intended. If a single detail falls short, even by a fraction, that device is immediately flagged, reviewed, and reworked until it meets perfection. After passing all internal inspections, each phone is cleaned, polished, and visually inspected one final time, ensuring not a single smudge, scratch, or fingerprint remains. By the end of this process, every iPhone that leaves the factory isn't just a product. It's a masterpiece of precision and design, a flawless fusion of hardware and software, ready to connect, create, and power the lives of millions around the world. Now comes one of the most iconic steps in Apple's process: the packaging. Each iPhone is carefully placed into its signature white box, alongside its accessories, a charging cable, documentation, and sometimes headphones, depending on the model. The packaging is minimalist yet precise, designed not only to protect the phone during transit, but also to deliver a premium unboxing experience. Apple's designers even calculate the rate at which the lid should slide open, that satisfying, slow reveal you get when opening a new iPhone box. Once boxed, the phones are packed into larger cartons and shipped to distribution centers around the world, from California to London, from Tokyo to Johannesburg. From there, they make their way to Apple stores, carriers, and your doorstep, each one part of a global network that delivers millions of devices every year. Behind every iPhone, there's more than just metal and glass. There's human effort. Thousands of engineers, designers, and workers contribute to each stage of the process, from mining raw materials to final testing. Their work ensures that every tap, every swipe, every photo, and every call happens seamlessly. Apple's manufacturing process is a blend of precision engineering and human craftsmanship, a partnership between people and machines that defines the future of technology. And while it takes only seconds to unlock your phone, it takes thousands of people and dozens of countries working together to make that possible. The story doesn't end when your iPhone leaves the factory. In fact, Apple's journey continues long after the device reaches your hands. Through a deep commitment to sustainability, recycling, and innovation, old iPhones aren't simply discarded. They're given new life. Specialized robots like Daisy meticulously disassemble used devices, recovering valuable materials such as gold, cobalt, copper, and lithium. Each recovered element is cleaned, refined, and prepared to be reused in the creation of future products, reducing waste and conserving Earth's limited resources. Apple's vision extends far beyond performance and design. The company has pledged to make every product carbon neutral by 2030, aiming to eliminate its environmental footprint from production to packaging. Solar-powered factories, recycled aluminum enclosures, and energy-efficient logistics are just a few of the steps paving that path. So when you hold an iPhone, you're not just holding a piece of cutting-edge technology, you're holding decades of innovation, craftsmanship, and a conscious promise to protect the planet. It's proof that progress doesn't have to come at the cost of the environment. It can help sustain it. From raw minerals buried deep beneath the earth to a beautifully designed device resting in your palm, The iPhone's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. It stands as a testament to human creativity, global collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every curve, every component, every line of code is the result of thousands of hours of design, testing, and refinement, all crafted to deliver a seamless experience that feels intuitive, personal, and powerful. The iPhone isn't just a product, it's a story, a living narrative of innovation that began in 2007 and continues to evolve with every generation, shaping how we connect, create, and communicate. So the next time you swipe, tap, or take a photo, remember, behind that simple gesture lies a world of brilliant minds, intricate machinery, and a shared vision to make technology feel beautifully human. And that's how your iPhone is made. From raw materials sourced across continents to the sleek, powerful device resting in your hand. It's a true global masterpiece, born from precision engineering, human creativity, and the tireless collaboration of thousands of minds working toward a single goal: perfection. From minds to microchips, from concept to completion, every step reflects the incredible blend of science, art, and innovation that defines Apple's legacy. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey into the making of the world's most iconic smartphone, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next deep dive into how everyday marvels are made. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us what product you'd like us to explore next. Because curiosity drives innovation, and every great invention begins with a single question. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and stay inspired.